Welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So it is the first Black Friday ad of the season on Ohio Valley Couponer, and I'm definitely planning on incorporating the Black Friday ads in my videos for a lot of the stores that I think are important. So Rite Aid, Walmart, CVS, probably Walgreens, even though I'm not expecting great things from them. But I'm here with the Rite Aid ad. And I'm not going to lie, from a couponer standpoint, this is probably the worst year they've ever done. I'm not going to lie. There are some good deals in here. Maybe if you're not a couponer, if you are a couponer expecting a bunch of freebies, it definitely isn't that this year. There are a few things. I'm trying to be optimistic, and I know I should be thankful we're going to get anything at all. But when you go from a couple years ago, they had like 3 pages worth of stuff you can come in and get for free, and now it's a tiny little portion of the ad. I'm just disappointed, but it's okay. Hopefully better things show up. This is a very blurry copy of the ad that we got on Rite Aid. I saw that Ravi posted on Instagram. This was out, and I was like so excited for this. So I appreciate him for alerting us. So yeah, we're just going to dive right in. But when a more better quality picture of the ad comes out, I'll probably come back and do an updated version. So first up, we have a deal here. Spend $40, get back $10 in bonus cash with that coupon, which is a good deal. You could double dip that with any other bonus cash items. And I do want to say, I know a lot of people are losing their Rite Aid stores. In Ohio, they're not going. Rite Aid is staying in Ohio, but I know like West Virginia is like losing their Rite Aids like now within the next couple weeks. So be sure to check if your store is still going to be Rite Aid by Black Friday. But that's a really good deal, honestly. The earn $10 bonus cash. It looks like it's on anything. I think it's blurry, so I can't really see too well. Okay, we do have buy one get two free on some wrapping paper, bags, stuff like that. Okay, this is always a good deal. The Planters Peanuts, $5.99. You get a $3 bonus cash, making it $2.99. These cards, buy one, get two free. And we will come over to the freebies on the right side in just a second. I'm just going through this. All this stuff's buy one, get two free. So the pot of gold and some cereal, Arm & Hammer laundry detergents, and Foster's Grant glasses. Yeah. So that's decent, pretty decent deal. We also have buy 5, get 5 free on some earbuds or something. That's weird. But yeah. All right, and then buy one get free and as seen on TV. That's a good one, actually. And then $2 for some body products. I can't really see it. And then Cottonelle and Viva is 2 for $11. There's apparently a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so it makes it 2 for $9. You get a $1 bonus cash. Who cares? That's not that special. Okay, and here's our free stuff. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 free items. There is some free Rite Aid brand tape. I believe it's limit 2. It's usually limit 2 at Rite Aid. I don't know, but that's what it looks like. Russell Stovers are 2 for $1. You get $1 back in bonus cash and you buy 2. Nestle candies 2 for $1. You get $1 bonus cash and you buy 2. Scunsies, I actually am excited for this one because I need to get these replenished on my stockpile. $3, you get $3 back, so free. Magnavox earbuds are $6. You get back $6. Free. And then this DNA kit thing is $19.99. You get back $20 in bonus cash. So whatever. Won't be doing that. Because the fun thing about these kits, because I'd be interested if it was free, but it really isn't. You're paying for this kit and you have to pay like $100 or something to actually get it processed. So it really isn't a good deal. Unless you're doing that anyways. Here's a bunch of candies, little gift sets here. Okay, it looks like Revlon is 2 for $6. That's and you get back $1 on bonus cash. Some more makeup. I can't read some of these names. This is just the best I can find for us. Okay, we have a bunch of buy one get two free on the Yes to face wipes. On the Big Win, it looks like the plastic spoons, forks, and it also looks like on the, is that paper towels? It's really blurry. I don't understand why, but it's blurry. Buy one, get two free on some candles. Buy one, get one free Neutrogena products. Nivea is buy one, get one free. It looks like there's a 3 off 2 load to card, it says. 4 for 3 on the Yardley, and you get $1 back. So that'd be like 4 for 2. Dial soap, 99 cents. Okay, they did this last year on the Pert, Infusium, LA Looks, all that kind of stuff. And last year we had $2 off coupons. So I'm hoping that happens again and we get all this for free. That's what happened last year. I'm having hope. There are a few good things in here. There are. It's just, I don't want to sound like a jerk, but I'm just sad. When it was what it once was, this is just sad. Buy one, get two free on the loofah things. And then Listerine looks like it's 2 for 6. And there is a $3 on 2 bonus cash. So that makes it 2 for 3. A lot of times you have $1 off Listerine coupons, so you get yourself a good deal on that. Okay, it looks like Daylogic cotton rounds, buy one, get one free. And it looks like $2 in bonus cash when you buy 2. I have a feeling that would make that free. I'm almost positive that would make that free. I think there's like $1.99. Like I said, once we get a clear copy of the ad, this is just the first leak. We'll get a clear copy of the ad in a couple weeks, and I'll come back and talk to you guys all about that. Leggings 2 for 8, get $2 back. 2 for 1 for some socks. $14.99 for some Conair products. You get back $5 bonus cash. 50% off of that kind of stuff. And these are my favorite. On the buy a gift card, you get the money back. So it looks like Cracker Barrel and Chili's, $10 back. That's probably when you do 50. It's what it was last year. Wendy's and Burger King, $5 back on 25. Old Navy and Gap, I think it's $5.25. Southwest Airlines, there's that. Home Depot is usually do 50, get 10. Where's Chipotle at? There was Chipotle last year, and that was a really good one. That's annoying. Luden's is $1. We do have a 75% on 2 coupon, so that might be good for you. And it looks like the RITE acetaminophen is on it. Okay, and then there is Carmex, Dentec, and Brute. Looks like it's 5 for 5. You get $2 bonus cash when you buy 5. So make it 5 for 3. A lot of times we have $1 off coupons for like Brute. In Dentec, we usually have Dentec coupons. We might have Dentec coupons right now. I'm not 100% on that. We'll talk more about it when it comes time for Black Friday week. But that could be a great deal. I mean, 5 for 5, you're getting $2 back already. It's 5 for 3. So I'm anticipating some good deals. I'm trying to be optimistic. I actually, when I first saw this, I was a little bummed. But, there's hope that's actually going to get better. I think it might. 5 for 10 for Salon Paws, Effordent, the Be Cool things, that kind of stuff. Then do some kitchen electric things. $9.99, get $2 bonus cash. Not hating on Rite Aid because I like Rite Aid, but you're definitely going to be able to get that stuff for cheaper other places. For sure. This 3 for 15. I can't make that out. Looks like a $9 in bonus cash, but I doubt it. I don't know. Doan's, Dr. Scholl's 2 for 8, and then the Rite Aid brand Nexium is 2 for 10. Okay, this is good. The Kleenex, Scott, and Palmolive 2 for 2. You get $1 back when you buy 2. We have had 25-cent coupons. I don't know what we'll have when the time actually comes, so hopefully that's good. And then we have 2 for 4 for the Big Win toilet paper. You get $1 back. Lots of candy. And keep in mind, this will run Thanksgiving Day, Black Friday, and Saturday. So you have plenty of time to do it. Usually I run out and do it on Thanksgiving morning. I don't know if I will this year. I probably will out of tradition, but I don't know if there's anything that crazy you want to run out on Thanksgiving morning. Okay, $4.99 for the Russell Stovers. Get $3 back. I'm excited. The ads are going to continue coming out. So CVS should come out soon. Walgreens, which is probably not going to be very good. Rural King, I know they do a big deal on Thanksgiving Day. I know I'm not a huge fan of the Thanksgiving Day shopping, but I know if you want a deal sometimes, you're going to have to just do it. As annoying as that is, you're going to have to just go out on Thanksgiving if you want the deal or risk not getting it. So there's going to be loaded card coupons. Buy one, get one free on some Rachel Ray pet foods. And then here's just some food deals. That's Rite Aid. I'm sad, but I feel like we could get some more stuff. So I'm optimistic that more deals will come out. Very popular. I mean, very possible that more deals will come out. Like I said, with like the Pert and Infusium, that was a good one last year, and I feel like there's good potential for like the Carmex, Brute, and Dentec thing. I really do. So just stick around. I'll keep you all in the loop about what's going on at Rite Aid, and thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, 6 freebies is better than none. Definitely better than none. And there are just some good deals in here. So that's all that I have, and thank you guys for watching.